Hey guys, today we're making these yummy chocolate crepes. If you're a fan of chocolate, then you're really gonna love these. And they're such a yummy breakfast for any time. It's easy to make and the recipe is super easy to follow. As always, it will be in the description box below and don't forget to follow me for more videos. Also, follow me on Instagram for more recipes. Okay, so we're gonna start off in a jug just to make it easier when you're making the crepes. Into that you're going to add in your flour, cocoa powder, sugar, and lastly the baking powder. And then you're just going to take a whisk and just mix this all together, just to make sure that everything is well combined. Next, you want to add in your oil and your vanilla, and then add in the eggs. Next, you're going to add in the milk, and you can add in more or less to make it thicker or thinner. And then just beat this with your electric mixer until there's no lumps and it's all well combined. And once it's all mixed in like this, then you can stop mixing and then check the consistency. If it's too thin like how mine was, then you can add in more flour. If it was too thick, then you can add in some more milk. Just check and add accordingly. And mix well. Once that's done, then you can set that to the side, and you're going to take your non-stick pan and spray it with some non-stick cooking spray, and then just pour your batter into the tray and then swirl it so that it coats the entire bottom of the pan. And then cook this for a few minutes until there's bubbles on the top and it's no more wet. And then just take your spatula and run it along the edges and then lift it up and then flip and cook for about 10 seconds on the other side. Then you can add in whatever filling you want. Here I've got some Nutella and some Oreos, but you can definitely do some cinnamon and sugar or whatever you like. And then just roll them up. And that's it. That's a quick and easy breakfast for such a yummy treat. It's super delicious and it's a perfect Sunday morning breakfast idea. If you're a chocolate lover, then you'll definitely love these. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a giant thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos every Sunday. I'll see you in my next video.